And hello once again from the Welland Canal. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Erie vlogger. And right now I am still at lock number 7. So if you watched the last video, which was the Algoma Endeavour coming out of lock 7 and making its way up to Lake Erie, we now have the Algoma Sault making her way off Lake Erie. She's been through lock 8, she's come across Port Robinson, and now she's approaching lock 7 to make her downbound journey into Lake Ontario. She's fully loaded, got a lot of smoke, got a lot of water on it, so this should be a nice capture for you guys if you like to see a vessel that is fully loaded. Another Seawaymax coming into lock number 7. I'm really not a big fan of shining a camera into the sunlight, but it's the best I can do for this particular ship. At least we're close up, get some good shots still. The one good thing is, the stern is going to be lit up by the sun, which will be nice to look at. Okay, so you just had two Seawaymax vessels pass one another. Endeavour had its self-unloading boom at the bow, and this one, Sault, has a self-unloading boom towards the stern, just underneath the pilot house. She's now started to push away from the wall on the starboard side, and now lining up more, coming over to the left here to the port side to line up with lock number 7. Even though it's backlit, that's actually a nice shot. I do like that. She's exerting a little bit more power now to get her into that lock. You can tell by the wake, the backwash coming from the propeller here, how much power is being exerted compared to what it was literally 45 seconds ago. A Whirlpool. Wow, you see that? Quite a few Whirlpools. That's quite a big one. Big one there. To put it into some perspective for you, if you was in this right now, this would be no different than being pretty close to Niagara Falls right now. At the bottom, down by the Whirlpool, just after the main rapids where it's really bad, as it flows into the Whirlpool. And that's what you're looking at. That's how dangerous it really is to be behind a ship, especially in an enclosed area like this in the canal.
Started watching from the beginning.
Oh, the very first ones?
Old ones.
How far did you go back?
What a ways.
Oh, jeez.